Hey, I'm Matt from Answer Racing. I have the 2010 Answer Racing Rockstar Glove. Developed from our ever-popular mid-level line of Ion gear, the Rockstar Glove has both Q-span mesh and air mesh for backhand and finger panels, complete with a rubber Rockstar logo. Features a durable Clarino palm, thumb, and thumb reinforcement to help increase the life of the glove, as well as light padding to help cushion impacts. With a layer of fine mesh down the sides of the fingers, it aids in the cooling effect of the air mesh on the backhand, though it's not considered a vented glove. A flexible light preen cuff with a palm side Velcro wrist closure helps to create a secure fit. The Rockstar Glove is available in 3 different colorways, size small through double extra large, and a suggested retail value of $29.95. You can check them on out at answerracing.com.